GCP Masters brings you the ultimate Google Cloud training program with hands-on experience in multiple real-time GCP projects and live cloud-based campaigns for practical learning. Gain 1 to 2 years of expertise in just 2 months with a guaranteed internship until you secure a job. Our expert trainers with 15 plus years of MNC experience start from the foundation and guide you through a 100% job-oriented program with one-on-one mentorship, access to 100 plus GCP certification interview questions, and unlimited batch access for 365 days. We provide complete project support. You'll get 3 to 4 hours of lab practice every day with mentor guidance, ensuring you're industry ready. We cover the most advanced GCP topics and offer exclusive access to paid GCP tools, accredited certification, and full support for resume creation and profile marketing. Plus, our HR team provides placement assistance to help you land your dream job. Ready to master Google Cloud? Visit GCP Masters and fast track your career today.